All right, and with everything free, you can take this over to our workbench now. Okay, so you don't necessarily need to do this, but it came in the kit we got, and that's your pressure regulator. So we're gonna go ahead and change it out here. And there's just a clip that goes around there and some ears that he's prying on with a screwdriver. Both sides there. Once you get both of those popped, you can get that clamp off of there. All right, next he's gonna pull this wire out, and you just pry up on the bottom with a screwdriver, and it slides out of that channel. And now he's just gonna grab the pressure regulator, and you can just wiggle it. It's just got an O-ring, and you can pop it out there. All right, now he's going in there with a screwdriver and getting rid of that O-ring, and then there's the lower assembly portion. Pop that out of there. And there's one small O-ring down in there that you'll need to get out because the new assembly comes with everything you need, and it's all contained there in one unit.